Take. Okay.
Greetings to everyone from BCL. On behalf of team organizers, I would request and call upon all the team organizers to come forward and join me in the stage. Anand.
Wait.
Nisha. Rohit. And Mr. Bahula, the owner of Kashish Cricket Club. We are proud and overwhelmed on being entered the third edition, as the first and second edition of Bengaluru Cricket League went on with the immense support from all the tournament. It was a very successful event which went on for 2 years, and we were very happy to deliver such a proud tournament for 2 years, and we hope so in delivering a good and a better tournament in the third edition as well. We can never forget our associate sponsors from Naina Properties, Kashish Cricket Club, in supporting us in going forward in the sporting event. Moving forward, we cannot forget the teams who have been with us since the first edition of Bengaluru Cricket League. ITI Challengers, KUCC, Red Scorpions, Artisans, Falcons have been with us right from the first edition. Looking forward in seeing every single team in every tournament which is being organized by Team BCL. Moving on, we will be moving on with the rules and regulations, which will be
नहीं ऑटो लिखा है, ऑटो ऊपर है, दो ऑटो भी ऊपर है. हाँ ओके. क्या कहते हैं? कर नेपाल से. नहीं है. ऐसा फोन कर रहा है. पहले लाइव नहीं रिकॉर्ड.
for further clarity and explanation, please proceed your questions to Mr. Sunil Tom.
If you have any doubts with the rules and regulations, you can ask me.
Hello.
Based on the KSA playing condition only, we have made the rules and regulations. These are what we have added is like extra. Briefing beyond the case rules ಏನಿಲ್ಲ almost ಎಲ್ಲ ತರ ನಡೆಯಲ್ಲ. Formats will 22 formats will send it. There will be per day there will be 3 matches. The first match will be started at 8 o'clock. The second will be started at 11 o'clock, and the third match will be at 2 o'clock. We will start.
क्या है?
The matches will start the same as we had mentioned here. And the team, if it is late, the
किधर?
team also late. Both the teams will get the matches. Both will be reduced for both the teams. There is not for the only one team.
रुको 2 मिनट रुको.
Late. We don't do that. So for the both the teams, we will reduce the overs.
But that's very harsh.
So, but you
A
can't.
team who has come and died, it's very harsh, on
हाँ
them.
राइट फोन है
Yeah, but
Another should be for the other team which is not coming on time.
that will see, sir. But they will update this that.
क्या रे कर रहा है मोटे सुपर पुलिस.
KSA rules is the same.
What the KSA rules is.
अभी जाया नहीं रहा है इसके लिए.
So majorly, if you are having any sorts of doubts also, you can directly ask.
15-member squad can be done what?
Sir, if you
Last time also I missed that.
actually we are going for the 15-member squad itself. But if you want the players being added means you have to at least it should be played one match. That means in the league stage you have to play one match.
So for the qualifying matches.
In the league stage you have to play for one match, at least one match.
You can't get a fresh player.
No. In the knockout stage you can't get the fresh player.
देख लिए सर
Any more questions?
What are the rules for then if they will just begin?
In the league stage it will be tied. Like it will
Points
be
will be shared.
shared. Point will be shared. In the knockout,
One innings gets over, then
if the second innings completed 5 overs, we give the result.
Minimum 5
Minimum
overs.
5 overs should be
Minimum 5 overs.
played.
Yeah.
Or else it will be tied.
ये है ना
The
वो
point will be shared. And based on the run rate itself, you can go for the.
And if it happens in the knockouts also,
It's a run rate
it's
or
going to be
it's a
rescheduled. The match will be rescheduled.
Run rate. You will have the run rate.
How many hours you get run? You run 5 hours. If the first team has scored 5 runs per over, 25 or above runs, the second team will.
Yes, same sir. Based on the run rate itself. In the knockout stage,
We will be rescheduling the game. Depends on the if the completely match is washed out, then definitely have to go for the run rate, whatever the current point. But if we have any don't have any chance it's complete water, then we're going to reschedule the game for the other date, and we'll update you in the group, or probably captain's group, or personally maybe to the teams which are taking part in the knockout game.
in the same day we will update.
Any other questions?
And jerseys are very much important in the tournament. So without jersey, I think if you guys are only 11 players are coming to the ground and you have only 10 jerseys, we ask you guys to play only with the 10 members. So jerseys are very much important. That's the reason we are providing 15 jerseys. So hope you guys carry all 15 jerseys.
sure. Is it tough?
Yeah, it's a turf wicket.
Spikes are allowed?
Spikes, definitely spikes are allowed. Yes. So apart from that, I hope everyone does know about the BCL edition. I think 1 and 2 will get it in the and online scoring will be there, plus Quick Heroes and all that. And as you know, live YouTube will be there. So everything will be updated. And in the captain's meet, in captain's group, we have sent a PDF format. So we want all that 15 players photographs where it will be displayed on the YouTube. When the batsmen or bowler walk-ins.
What about
Whichever batsman or bowler is coming
joining?
in, his photo will flash in the screen.
Sorry, sir?
What are the 2 players who joined in? They didn't make photograph for them.
That's what we are telling is like 15 is a squad what we are giving, and that extra 2 is emergency. Very emergency cases you can have, but in the knockout stages, those players has to be played in the league stage. If they are taken part in league stage, then definitely they can take again play games of knockouts.
And
We
one more
can't
thing.
beat the super sub can be added.
No, that we are not doing is a super sub. I know everybody is doing the super sub, but we have to be something different, unique from them. I think hope you guys are clear about the rules and regulations. If anything is there, you can ping me or call me up on the WhatsApp or anything.
Super over or it is 1-1?
Tight means super.
Sorry, again it is in the league stages, points will be shared, sir.
No super.
No super over in
Or
there.
in the league stage.
Only in the knockout stages, super over will be taken part.
The only changes which is made in BCL 3 is that it has gone to turf pitch. It is a turf wicket. So that is the only change which we are having. So other than that, no other change has occurred. So moving forward, we can go with the guys.
Yes.
ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ ಪಕ್ಕ ರೇವಣ ಪೂಜೆ
So first group A, so boys from Kashish Cricket Club will randomly pick the cards. So whichever team comes in will go in for group A.
ನಾನೇ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ
ವಿಶಾಲ್ ಪೆನ್ ಕಶಿಸ್ के पास
Yeah. No, I pick the card. Any card.
Show it here, show it here. Show it to the camera.
First team is KUCC Kadipudi United Cricket Club.
Hey, this is here.
Master Group A. Mars and Ox is the second team which goes into Group A.
Group A.
Group A. Group A.
Come, we are going with the groups.
KCC Kashish Cricket Club goes into Group A. Kashmir 11 goes into Group A. Last card. Another Kashmir team, FCC Bhojpura goes into Group A.
So we have two teams coming from Kashmir this year. That's a biggest highlight of our tournament.
So we are ready for the Group A. We are moving on to the Group B section.
No, there will be two groups.
No, four groups. Rotate teams, four groups.
That is A group. Moving on to Group B.
Show it.
The first team to go in Group B is JNCC. Second team to enter is Kapil CC, Kapil's Cricket Club. Bangalore Scorers, the third team to enter in Group B. Fourth team to enter is Kamal's 11. Last card. Final team to enter Group B is Hattrick CC. Okay, end of Group B. So moving on to Group C. First card. Artisans move to Group C. Falcons, second team to enter Group C. The third team to enter Group C is Bank of Baroda. Fourth team to enter Group C is Hengrates. Hengrates Cricket Club. Last team to enter Group C is Royal Cricketers. The last and final Group D. First team to enter is ITI Challengers, Group D. Second team to enter is VSL, Group D. Third team to enter is Red Scorpions. The fourth team is Edman Evans. Last and the final team. One side.
ಜಯಪಾಲನು ಹಾಕಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಡುಗುಡಿ
So do you want me to like again repeat the groups of teams which has been shared?
We remember,
Group A, KUCC, that is Kadagudi United Cricket Club, Hassan Hawks, KCC, Kashish Cricket Club, Kashmir 11, another Kashmir team, FCC, Bhojpura. This is Group A. Group B will have JNCC, Kapil CC, Kapil's Cricket Academy. Bangalore Scorers, Kamal's 11, and Hattrick CC. The Group C will have Artisans, Falcons, Bank of Baroda, N-Grades, Royal Cricketers. Last and final group, Group D, ITI Challengers, BSL, Red Scorpions, N1 Events, Banaswadi Cricketers.
Yeah, sorry. And so top 2 teams will be qualifying for the knockouts, and in the knockout stages, A versus D will be taking part, and B versus C will be. So I think you guys will be having that confusion probably in the later stage you might ask. So we're just clearing it right now. It's going to be A versus D and B versus C. Yeah, I hope everybody noted that. And I hope everyone clear about
have in Group A, 2 teams, let's say A1 and A2.
Yeah.
Then you have B1 and B2.
D.
Again B1, B1 and B2, C1, C4,
Yeah.
D1 and D2. A will play against D.
Yeah.
A1 versus D2.
B2, exactly. So any other questions you can just clarify right now. Since you can just give me a call and we can clear it on the call itself. Yeah, fixtures will be shared within 2 days. Probably Tuesday evening I'll be sharing with everyone. And personally I'm going to give a call. I think I have certain people that comfortable dates. I'll just check and I'll let you know on that.
And we as team organizers would like to thank every single person who made their way to this captain's meet and made this event a grand success. Thank you so much. Special thanks to Mr. Balguna, owner of Kashish Cricket Club, for organizing this and making it a success. Until then, you take care. Bye bye from Team BCL.
Yeah.